Hey guys, it's Aubri and I look like a rat, so what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you a golden, bronzy, glittery, sparkly makeup. I did this on my friend and she really liked it and it looked bomb, so I was like, oh cool, I'll just make a YouTube video about it. I haven't made any makeup tutorials since I started making videos again because my ex-best friend, as I already told you, she has all my makeup brushes, which she is going to give them back eventually. I swear to God, I'll have a... But anyway, I got some new makeup brushes, so I'm going to be doing this makeup tutorial for you right now. So, I hope you guys like it, and sorry that I was gone. I got sick. I usually film on weekends because of school. I don't have time during the week, so I usually film on weekends, but then I got sick, so yeah. It's just eye makeup. I've already got, like, my eyebrows and... yeah, so let's go. Okay, so I'm trying my best to remember what I did on her. So the first thing I did, I took this Physicians Formula Glow Bronze Booster Palette and I took the dark color and I just started blending it on the outer corner of her eye. I put concealer on her eye, obviously, like I have concealer on my eyelid right now, as a base. And just kind of like wing it out a little bit. I'm going to take this other brush, which is like more dense, and just fluff it out the edges so it's not as harsh. This isn't like a cut crease or anything, it's just like a smoky bronze, really sparkly eye makeup, and it's good because it goes with any dress color, really. It'd go with nude white. My friend's dress is blue, could go with black, so I figured it was a good video to make because it's really universal, so yeah. Okay, so once you've got that color on your eye, it should look something like this. It's kind of like, it's not dark, but it's like in the middle of being dark. So now I'm going to take like this angled eyeshadow brush and my Naked Basics palette. Oh, the color Faint, which is a matte brown, and I'm going to just put it in the crease and blend it up. And on the outer V of my eye too. Now I'm going to take this brush again and just blend it more. Now I'm going to take this again and take a little bit of black and put it on the outer corner of my eye. I try to keep this pretty easy. I mean, I didn't really have to worry about it for her because I'm doing her makeup for her, but like I try to keep it pretty simple so that since you guys are probably, if you do this, you're going to be doing it yourself. Okay, so at this point it should look something like this. So that's pretty much like the end of like the eyeshadow, pretty much. So now you've only got glitter left to do. So like I said, this is pretty simple. So I feel cool because I just got this NYX glitter primer. I had been using eyelash glue because I'm a ghetto, but yeah, so I just bought this at Ulta the other day, so we're cool. So I'm going to be using this and the NYX glitter, metallic glitter in the color Goldstone. It's really pretty, but glitter is extremely messy, so everything you own is going to be covered in glitter. Okay, so this came with no directions on it, which is lit. So I'm just going to kind of assume that you put it where you want your glitter to stick. So I'm putting it on the entire lid of my eye, avoiding the crease of my eye. I'm going going to take a flat, rounded, I just like totally went cross-eyed right there. And I'm going to take my glitter on the brush. Ooh. And I'm going to pat it on my eyelid. Trying to press hard to avoid fallout as much as possible. I'm going to take this brush again and just kind of blend it a little more. So I'm just kind of smudging it. So I'm going to take this fan brush and try to get rid of all this glitter. This is when you can just kind of like touch it up and make it however you want it. It can be as dark or as light as you want, pretty much. I'm going to take my Urban Decay brush that came with some palette that I had, and there's glitter all over me, so cool. I'm going to take the same bronze color from that Bronze Booster palette and put it underneath my eye. Oh cool, I just got it in my eye, that's lit. I'm going to take a little bit of the glitter primer and put it under my eye. And take the brush and put some of the glitter. Last step is eyelashes. So I'm using the Ardell Glamour eyelashes. These are my favorite. I wear them like every day. I'm going to use the Duo Dark Toned Eyelash Glue and put these on my eyes. I'm not even going to attempt to do this on camera. Okay, so I got my eyelashes on and I just put mascara on to blend the fake eyelashes with my real eyelashes, which are non-existent. The last thing I'm going to do is take the Bronze Booster palette again. I'm going to take the white, put it in the inner corners of my eyes. And to highlight, I'm going to take the gold and the white and mix them together. The key to this makeup is a lot of highlighter. So I didn't show this in the video, but I used the Rockateur blush for that, and then I just used contour kit for my contour, Shape Tape for my concealer, True Match foundation, my Revolution baking powder, because I bake now because I'm so cool. Okay, so last thing I did was I put on this Sexy Mother Pucker queer lip gloss that's supposed to plump up your lips because I have no lips. But anyway, that's the finished makeup. I'm sure you guys with this would look bomb as I'm still ugly as but that's just me. And personally, I despise how I look with this much makeup on because I feel like I look like a drag queen. Personally, I'd rather just have eyelashes and concealer on, but that's mostly because I'm a lazy. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you want to see like a smoky eye for prom or anything, just let me know down below. But anyway, I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.